Ever wondered who the top dropshipping suppliers in Georgia are? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the world of dropshipping, honing in on Georgia's finest. It's crucial to partner with a supplier that's reliable, offers a wide variety of products, and provides swift delivery. These factors can make or break your business. So, who made the cut and why? What makes them the cream of the crop in the Peach State? Stick around as we unveil the top 5 dropshipping suppliers in Georgia. Starting off the list is Vitalabs, known for their expansive product range, a dietary supplement supplier based south of Atlanta, Georgia. They stand out offering an all-inclusive solution for anyone looking to get into the nutritional supplement business. The cherry on top? Their exceptional customer service. Vitalabs even supports dropshipping individual bottle orders. But what truly sets Vitalabs apart is their unique feature of offering custom packaging. Vitalabs has an in-house art department to help design your labels, and a print department to bring them to life, making them a reliable partner for your dropshipping business. Next up, we have Finerworks. This supplier stands out with a broad product range and print-on-demand. They have a partner facility in Atlanta, Georgia, from which they offer a print-on-demand service for digital prints and items. Their shipping options are flexible, ensuring your customers get their products when they need them. What sets Finerworks apart is their top-notch customer service. The delivery time is 5 to 10 working days, which is reasonably fast for a print-on-demand supplier. They are always available and ready to resolve any issues promptly. They also offer some unique features like real-time inventory tracking. Finerworks, offering a diverse product range for your dropshipping needs. Coming in at number 3 is Bungalow Flooring. This supplier is proudly American-owned and made. Bungalow Flooring has been providing top-tier floor mats since 2002. Their products are designed not only to look great, but also to withstand all the spills, slips, and messes that life throws at them. What sets Bungalow Flooring apart is their excellent customer service. They believe in building strong relationships with their clients, ensuring all queries and concerns are addressed promptly. While Bungalow Flooring does mention dropshipping, there's little detailed information about their program available up front. Bungalow Flooring, a dropshipping supplier known for its excellent customer service. At number 4, meet Dropship Beauty. This supplier is known for delivering style directly to your store and customers. They offer a wide range of beauty products, cosmetics, and hair extensions straight from their US warehouse. Dropship Beauty is the only app specializing in hair extensions and wigs, making them a unique player in the dropshipping market. But what really sets Dropship Beauty apart is that it instantly lets you import hundreds of products into your store, complete with photos and descriptions. This ensures you're always in the loop about the availability of your desired products. Dropship Beauty, your partner for a seamless dropshipping experience. And finally, at number 5, we have Aroma Ridge Coffee Roasters. This supplier, based in Marietta, Georgia, this company can roast custom coffee blends and fulfill them for you using drop shipping. Aroma Ridge Coffee Roasters offers flexible shipping options, making it easy for you to get your products to your customers. This means you won't need your own space for roasting, packing, or shipping your coffee. Aroma Ridge will happily insert gifts or promotions into packages as per your instructions. You can even create gift boxes for special occasions like holidays, birthdays, or weddings. Aroma Ridge Coffee Roasters, a top-notch dropshipping supplier in Georgia. So, there you have it, the top 5 dropshipping suppliers in Georgia. We've taken a closer look at each, highlighting their unique strengths and key offerings. Our first supplier excels in variety, offering an extensive range of products. The second one stands out with its excellent customer service, while the third supplier shines with its efficient shipping process. Our fourth supplier is notable for its competitive pricing, and finally, the fifth supplier is renowned for its quality products. It's important to remember that these are just a few of the many dropshipping suppliers available in Georgia. We encourage you to dig deeper, conduct your own research, and find the supplier that matches your business needs and objectives the best. The dropshipping industry is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. It's essential to keep your finger on the pulse and adapt to changes swiftly. Remember, the success of your dropshipping business greatly depends on choosing the right supplier. Choose wisely and happy dropshipping.